Good morning, Alex. It's Monday. Time to wake up.
Hmm, already? The weekend disappeared so quickly. I feel like I didn't rest at all.
I know, weekends always feel short. But you have an early meeting today. Remember?
Oh, right, I almost forgot about that meeting. What time is it now?
It's already 7 o'clock. You really should get up now.
7? That early? I was hoping to sleep a little longer.
If you sleep more, you'll end up rushing and feeling stressed.
Just 5 more minutes, please. I promise I'll get up after that.
You said the same thing last week. And then you skipped breakfast.
Well, that's true. But today will be different.
No, Alex. No more excuses today. It's a fresh start to the week. Come on, sit up.
All right, I'm getting up.
That's better. Go freshen up quickly.
Did you already make coffee?
Yes, it's waiting for you in the kitchen.
Now that's real motivation.
And I'm making breakfast too. So don't take too long.
Okay, I'll be ready in a few minutes.
Good. Let's start the day calmly and on time.
Thanks, Jane. You always keep everything on track.
Someone has to. Now hurry up.
Yes, ma'am, I'm awake now.
Emma, sweetheart, wake up. It's time for school.
Mom, I'm still sleepy. Just 5 more minutes.
You said that yesterday too. Come on, get up.
Mondays are so difficult. I don't like them.
I understand. But you have to be responsible.
Do I have school today for sure?
Yes, of course. Now sit up.
Okay, I'm awake now.
Jane, have you seen my office bag? I can't find it anywhere.
Yes, I kept it near the table last night. So you wouldn't forget it.
Oh, I didn't notice. I was looking in the bedroom.
You always rush in the morning and forget where things are.
That's true. Mornings are always hectic for me.
Go check near the table next to your laptop.
1 second. Yes, I found it. Thanks, Jane.
Good. Make sure everything is inside. Documents, charger, and notebook.
Let me check. Yes. Everything seems to be there.
Did you iron your shirt for today?
No, I was too tired yesterday after work. I just went straight to bed.
I thought so. That's why I ironed it for you this morning.
Really? You didn't have to do that.
It's okay. I know you have a busy day ahead.
You always take care of everything. I don't know what I'd do without you.
That's my job at home. I'm happy to help.
Where did you keep the shirt?
It's hanging in the wardrobe, neatly pressed.
Wow, it looks perfect. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Now go and get dressed quickly.
Do I have enough time?
If you don't waste time, yes. But you're already a little late.
Oh no, I need to hurry then.
Also, don't forget your watch and wallet.
Thanks for reminding me. I always forget something.
That's why I keep an eye on everything.
You really make my mornings easier.
And you should make them easier too, by waking up earlier.
All right, I'll try from tomorrow.
You say that every day.
Haha. Okay, maybe this time I mean it.
Let's see. Now hurry up, breakfast is almost ready. Emma, did you brush your teeth?
Yes, I did. I'm getting dressed now.
All right. Make sure you wear your full uniform neatly.
Mom, I can't find my uniform anywhere. I've been looking for it.
Did you check your wardrobe properly? Or are you just guessing?
I checked, but maybe not carefully.
Look again and move your clothes one by one. It must be there.
Okay, I will check again. Wait, oh, here it is. It was behind my jacket.
See? I told you to look properly.
Sorry, Mom. I was getting worried.
It's okay, but next time be more organized.
I will. Now I'll wear it quickly.
Yes, hurry up. We don't have much time left.
Mom, does this uniform look okay?
Yes, it looks fine. But button your shirt properly.
Oh, I missed one button. Let me fix it.
And tuck in your shirt neatly.
Like this?
Yes, that's much better.
Mom, can you help me with my hair? I can't make it neat.
Of course, come sit here. Bring your comb.
I want to neat braids today. Just like yesterday.
All right, but you have to sit still. It will only take a few minutes.
Okay, I'll not move.
Good girl. Your hair is soft. It will look very nice in braids.
Mom, will my friends like it?
Of course they will. You always look lovely.
Are you done?
Almost. Just one more braid.
I'm excited to see it.
There, all done. Go look in the mirror.
Wow, I love it. Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome, sweetheart.
Now I'm fully ready for school.
Good. Let's go have breakfast quickly. Emma, come have your breakfast.
I'm coming, Mom,
Eat properly, don't rush.
but I don't want to be late.
You still have time. Drink your milk.
Can I have juice instead?
No, milk is important for you.
Okay, I will drink it.
Something smells really good. What are you cooking?
I'm making eggs, toast, and tea.
That sounds perfect for a busy Monday.
Sit down, I'll serve you.
You woke up early just for this?
Yes, I like starting the day fresh.
Thank you, Jane. I really appreciate it.
Just eat well and have a good day. Emma, did you pack your school bag?
Yes, I think so.
Check again. Do you have your homework?
Oh no! I forgot my English notebook.
Go, bring it quickly.
Got it. Thank you for reminding me.
Always double check before leaving.
I will, Mom.
I'm ready to leave now. I think I have everything.
Wait, don't rush. Take your lunchbox first.
Oh, I almost forgot again.
You always forget it on busy mornings.
That's true. What did you pack for me today?
I made some rice, vegetables, and grilled chicken. It's healthy and filling.
That sounds perfect. I'll actually look forward to lunch now.
Good. And don't skip your lunch like you did last week.
I know. I'll make sure to eat on time today.
Also, did you take your documents for the meeting?
Yes, they're in my bag. I checked twice this time.
That's good. I don't want you calling me later asking where they are.
Haha, not today. I'm fully prepared.
Let's hope so.
Do I look okay? Is this shirt fine?
Yes, you look great. Very professional.
Thanks to you for ironing it.
You're welcome. Now, wear your watch and don't forget your keys.
Got them right here. See, I'm improving.
That's good to see. Just leave a little early so you don't get stuck in traffic.
Yes, I'll try to reach the office on time today.
Drive safely and be careful on the road.
I will, don't worry.
Take care at work. And don't stress too much.
I'll try my best. You take care at home, too.
I will. I'll finish the housework and then take some rest.
Good. Don't overwork yourself.
Don't worry about me. Just focus on your day.
All right. See you in the evening.
Yes, come home early if you can.
I'll try. Bye, Jane.
If you enjoyed this conversation, please hit the like button and subscribe to Easy English with HK. Your support means a lot and helps us create more helpful videos for you.